Hey everybody, how's it going? Today is my time to install iOS 16.1.1 is out. And so, without further ado, let's get started. So here's my iPhone X. So now let's go to setting, general software update, and you will get this notice of iOS 16.1.1. It takes about 211.5 MB only. So what's new? Including bug fix and security update and speed increase. And it is recommended for all users. Now let's install it. Update requested. It takes times. It depends on your Wi-Fi and also your iOS device. Now it's loading. About second remaining. And also 0 second remaining. It takes times to moving to the preparing for update, just like this. And now it's preparing update. Alright, so it's been finished. Let's install now. Verifying update. Also it takes times. It depends on your iOS device. Cause mine didn't take too long, as you can see, and it will turn black screen like this. And after that it shows Apple logo and black and Apple logo again. Just like this, first one, and after that second one, and then loading at the bottom of the Apple logo, and then the loading, just like this. Also it takes times. It depends on your Wi-Fi and also your device. And this is the second time of the update. Almost done. Just like this. And now you're on the hello screen. So now my battery is about 72%. It doesn't take my battery too much. Very nice background. It follows our wallpaper. Slide up, software update complete, 16.1.1. Press the next, later, updating Apple ID setting, and after that, it will show you the welcome to iPhone. Also it takes times for the Apple ID setting, and you're done. And so, before I end this video, you can give your feedback for this iOS 16.1.1 is out, and also install on my iPhone X in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day. Good luck.